Today I'm going to show you how to delete an event in Google Calendar quickly and the right way. Whether it's a meeting you no longer need, a class you accidentally added, or an appointment that has changed, removing it from your calendar only takes a few clicks. I'll also show you what happens if guests are invited, so you know exactly what to do before you confirm the deletion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step Google Calendar guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with the Google account that contains the event you want to delete. Once your calendar loads, take a look at the schedule view or month view and find the event you want to remove. You can click directly on the event block on the calendar and a small details window will appear. This box gives you quick access to the event information without opening the full editing page. Now in that event details box, look toward the top for the trash can icon. This icon is the delete option, and clicking it tells Google Calendar that you want to remove the event completely. Go ahead and click the trash can icon once. In many cases, the event will disappear right away. However, if the event includes other guests, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to send an email notification about the cancellation. If you see that prompt, it's important to decide carefully because sending the cancellation message will let everyone invited know that the event has been removed. If you want guests to be informed, click send. If you do not want to notify them, choose the option that skips sending the email if it is available. After that, the event will be deleted from your calendar. And that's all there is to it. You've now deleted an event in Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is a great skill to know, especially if you manage a busy schedule or regularly update meetings and appointments. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.